SELG. Okay. So, pagkatapos mong basahin, susunod kayo ha, babasahin nyo rin. So, umpisa na natin. Ready na kayo? Itaas ang ating kanang kamay. I state your name. Of Garita Elementary School. Having been elected as of Supreme Elementary Learner Government. Do solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and responsibilities of my present position that I have clearly understood and will abide by the guidelines governing this organization and of the issuances of the Department of Education. And that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations.